search for better things. I've been chillin' with some niggas, but we on a different page, same story. Tell me what they wantin' from me. I've been riding on my lonely with the blick under the car seat. Never killed a nigga and I hope that they don't cross me. I'm exhausted. Now I play these pussy niggas cautious. I'm an artist, so I just keep a pistol just to draw it. Tryna throw dirt on my name. I grew a flower out that garden. I was starving. Same niggas help me eat, only did it for themselves, just to boost their self-esteem. Pillow talking to these bitches, wonder how they know my dreams. Used to look at me as Superman, but now they know I bleed. It's cause you, nigga, you wasn't true, nigga. Hardest thing to view, you was my dog and now you loose, nigga. You was sneak dissing when all I did was salute niggas. Man, you're such a new nigga. And I've been on the run, everything I ever did, man, I did it out of love. Everything I ever got, man, I got it off the mud. Man, I started in Chicago where they ain't helped me with none. Can you say that? Nah, well this is payback. I hope you get the picture, cause I've been hoping to frame that. The devil play these cards, now I'm in the deck like an 8-track. I'm hoping that this ride don't have to wave, cause this what pain at. Take that, I don't need Rona to rock a face mask. Cake ass, pray you know better, cause this is A-man. Gangster that's inside me, I'm quiet, but I just may snap. Cause I done seen the world for what it is, and I can't change that. And I just wanna know if it's smoke. I ain't got no time for faking, cause we grown. Riding with a nigga till I'm on. Man, I promise I can't let him get too close. And I just wanna know if it's smoke. I ain't got no time for faking, cause we grown. Riding with a nigga till I'm on. Man, I promise I can't let him get too close. I thought it's painless. The nigga I was closest to, I look at as a stranger. I done seen the calm before the storm and now he changing. I guess it's just the price you gotta pay just to be famous. Man, that's dangerous. Stuck up in the matrix, swear to God I've been an army, but I never went to basic. Been advancing all my training, so I guess that's why he hate me, man, it's crazy. Always been the truth and you ain't make me, you mistaken. And this is how I take it, rather chill all by my lonely than to be around this fake shit. Face it, if this is who you are, then I'll accept it. Feel I'm pledging cause I'm knowing who to step with. It's just myself cause every word I thought you meant it. I meant the truth and not the stories you was bending. Getting wise and now I watch who I'm befriending. It's free game, but nigga, this is just a scrimmage.